So once we've unpacked the DG400, there is a bunch of shrink wrapped and bubble wrap parts that we're going to use to build this. These two units here are part of your side frame rails. This is your axle. We've got your handle. This is your foot for the front. This here is for your lifting point, and these are your bottom cross members. Within the plastic bag that your manual is, you'll have a reference for the Honeywell valve, the heat wagon manual, the jumper plug, spare hardware, axle washers and axle locks, and then assortment of nuts and bolts. All the bolts for hex are 13 millimeter. All of your smaller machine bolts are a 5/16 or 8 millimeter. And your Allen bolts here are a number 5 Allen. You'll also receive your hardened rubber wheels. You'll also receive your hardened rubber wheels. I like to start with the base first, starting with whichever side rail you wish. We can now start to align the 5/16 8 millimeter bolts to the side frames. And so I've already installed one cross member. Here's the second cross member. I'm just giving them a nice snug. Okay. Once your cross members are attached to your side rails, we can go ahead and start looking at the axle. I like to flip the entire chassis over so that I can put the axle on a little easier. Now we can attach the foot. We can now start putting the wheels on. We'll have to put a spacer washer in first, then your wheel, followed by another washer, and finally your locking clip. Now we can go ahead and start adding the handle. Use your leg to kind of balance it. They have 4 of the 5/16 8 millimeter bolts that go on either side. We will lock those down as well. Now we're going to go ahead and start setting up our lift structure. And these just get the 13 millimeter nuts and bolts in all 4 corners. utilizing one of the 13 millimeters and two of the number 5 Allen keys to attach the lifting bracket to the unit.